Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the world of coding and solve problems from LeetCode. Today, we're going to tackle a medium-level problem, and I'm super excited to share the solution with you. The problem is called Find the Prefix Common Array of Two Arrays. And it's all about finding the common elements between two arrays up to each index. So, let's get started and break down this problem. So, the problem statement is asking us to find the prefix common array of two arrays A and B. What this means is that for each index I, we need to count the number of elements that are common to both arrays up to that index. It's like taking a snapshot of the common elements at each point as we move through the arrays. This requires us to keep track of the elements we've seen so far in both arrays and find the intersection of these elements at each index. To solve this problem, we need to understand that the key insight is to use sets to efficiently store and look up elements. In the arrays, think of sets like a notebook where you jot down the elements you've seen so far. When you need to check if an element is already in the notebook, you can quickly flip through the pages and find it. This is exactly what sets do for us. They allow us to quickly check if an element is already present. Using sets, we can easily find the common elements between the two arrays at each index. Now that we have the intuition, let's walk through the approach. We start by initializing two empty sets, one for each array, to store the elements we've seen so far. We also initialize an empty result vector to store the prefix common array. Then, we iterate through the arrays, and at each index, we update the sets with the current elements and find the intersection of the sets. The size of the intersection gives us the count of common elements up to that index, which we store in the result vector. Now, let's dive into the C++ code. We start by defining a class solution with a function find the prefix common array that takes two vectors A and B as input. We initialize the size of the input vectors and create two empty sets, setA and setB, to store the elements we've seen so far. We also create an empty result vector res of size n to store the prefix common array. Then, we iterate through the arrays using a for loop. Inside the loop, we insert the current elements of A and B into their respective sets. We create a new set common to store the intersection of setA and setB. We iterate through setA and check if each element is present in setB. If it is, we insert it into the common set. Finally, we store the size of the common set in the result vector res at the current index. We return the result vector at the end of the function. The time complexity of this solution is O(n squared), because in the worst case, we're iterating through the sets for each element. However, the use of sets reduces the time complexity of lookups and insertions, making the solution more efficient. The space complexity is O(n), because we're storing the elements in the sets and the result vector. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this solution to the Find the Prefix Common Array of Two Arrays problem. If you have any questions or have a different approach to solving this problem, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment your approach below.